Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you step by step on how to make a bootable USB for Windows. It's very easy and you can follow along with me. So, to create a bootable USB, you will need three things. First, you need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Second thing that you need is a Windows ISO file which you can get from Microsoft official website. And the third thing is a program called Rufus. You have to download this program. So first of all, open your any browser and you can go to Microsoft official website. Here you can download any Windows ISO that you want. I already downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it again. Next, you have to search for Rufus, then press enter. Then you just have to click on this website, first website that you can see. Then you have to scroll down and click on this version. As you can see, it's start downloading. So I already downloaded. So when you download it, just go to the file explorer and click on downloads program and just run this Rufus exe file. Click on yes. Again click on yes. After that, you just have to plug your USB. So I'm just gonna plug my USB and it's automatically detect your USB. Here you can see 16 GB. So I'm gonna select it. Then after that you have to select ISO file that you download earlier. So just click on select. Then here on the downloads, here you can see Windows 11 23H2 ISO. I'm just gonna click on it and here you can see. So you don't need to change any other option, and please make sure this partition scheme is set to GPT and target system UEFI. Then you don't have to change anything. You just have to click on the start and it will show you this page. So if you want to download Windows 11 in the computer that is not compatible with the requirements, you can just check this option. Otherwise you can uncheck this and also this. So just click on OK. Then it say another program or process access this device. So you just have to click on the yes and it will format all your data that is in the USB. So when you make a bootable USB, so all your data will be deleted. So make sure your data you make your backup. So you just click on the yes and again press on the OK. All data on device to be continued with this operation, click OK, be destroyed. It says that your all data will be deleted. I just gonna click on OK and here you can see it start making bootable. It will take little bit time. So once it's finished, then you just have to close this window, then plug in your PC and you just have to boot your PC with USB. Okay, if you like this video, please make sure you like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.